forget.
Okay, can we all come out again because television are here now? Can all the governors come here now, please? We can go from here to sign so that it will be that you must sign because we all agreed. Present and look forward to adequate coverage of this meeting. This is the communique issued at the conclusion of the meeting of the governors of Southern Nigeria in the Government House, Asaba, Delta State, today, Tuesday, 11 May 2021. At its meeting held today, the Southern Governors Forum reviewed the situation in the nation generally and focused on the current security situation, agitation and restructuring, prospect for interstate collaboration and partnership, as well as on the incidents of COVID-19 pandemic. Rising from the meeting, the forum agreed as follows. The forum affirmed that the peoples of Southern Nigeria remain committed to the unity of Nigeria on the basis of justice, fairness, equity, and oneness, and peaceful coexistence between and among its people with a focus on the attainment of shared goals for economic development and prosperity. 2, the forum observed that the incursion of armed herders, criminals, and bandits in the southern part of the country has presented a severe security challenge such that citizens are not able to live their normal lives, including pursuing various productive activities, leading to a threat to food supply and general security. Consequently, the meeting resolved that open grazing of cattle be banned across southern Nigeria. 3, the meeting noted that development and population growth has put pressure on available land and increased the prospect of conflict between migrant herders and local population in the south. Given this scenario, it becomes imperative to enforce the ban on open grazing in the south, including cattle movement to south by foot. The meeting recommended that the federal government should support willing states to develop alternative and modern livestock management system. 5, the meeting agreed that the progress of the nation requires that urgent and bold steps be taken to restructure the Nigerian Federation, leading to the evolution of state police, review of revenue formula in favor of subnationals, and creation of other institutions which legitimately advance our commitment to and practice of true federalism. The meeting recommended that in view of the widespread agitation among our various peoples for greater inclusiveness in existing governance arrangement, the federal government should convoke a national dialogue as a matter of urgency. The meeting recommended that in defense of the sensitiveness or in deference to the sensitiveness of our various peoples, there is need to review appointment into federal government agencies, including security agencies, to reflect federal character as Nigeria's overall population is heterogeneous. 8. The meeting resolved to foster cooperation among southern states. 9. The meeting expressed concern on the continued gridlock on the Oshodi-Apapa Expressway and the chokehold it has exerted on the nation's economy, being the sole outlet from Apapa Wharf. The meeting therefore recommended the activation and establishment of ports in other states of the Federation to create new jobs and promote socio-economic activities in the country. The meeting expressed concern on the economic implication of another lockdown on the country and therefore suggested greater coordination and cooperation between federal and state government in involving strategies for dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. The meeting expressed grave concern on the security challenge currently plaguing the nation and strongly urged Mr. President should address Nigerians on the challenges of insecurity and restore the confidence of our people. And lastly, the meeting expressed gratitude to our host, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa, for his generosity and hospitality. Thank you.